Boondockers. So today we're going to start off with some photography that's been done out on this property, and kind of the views that we've been kind of showing you guys on Facebook. But I know the last video, there's been a lot happened since the last video, was that we were going to build this shed. So these are views from where the shed was built. The concrete thing that we did, the foundation, is right behind where these guys are working. So we decided to forego building it ourselves and letting somebody come do it, so that way we could get it going, and be able to move into it and start using it. I kind of thought I was going to come back to work at home and use it as a home office, but that kind of got sidetracked, I guess, due to our internet situation. So this spot right here that you're looking at is where it's actually at. Excuse me. So that's where the view is. It took him about almost 3 days with the adjustments that we had added to it. There were some windows that we wanted, and we decided to add some skylights to it. So there are 2 skylights in it for some natural light during the day, which is really nice. The footage that's about to come up here is a walk around before they actually finished and put the door on. So that's the concrete pad that we had worked on prior to them putting this on. We thought we were going to do it on the pad, but we decided to do it off of it and use that as like a patio in the back. So as you can see, the dogs are very interested in what is going on in the shed, because there's been nothing out there really for the last year and a half. But the progress is starting to happen. As I had stated, we wanted to be able to work on it. That turbine is now next to the shed. It's no longer there anymore. We insulated it, so in the wintertime we could be out there, and in the summer, because I have a little small air conditioner. So the insulation that we decided to do was a blow-in type insulation. So
Well, it's been insulated. I know it's not.
You can see the skylights and the blow-in insulation, which is a different. What we were going to do was roll it in, and this was much nicer and actually much more cost effective.
So as you can see, the sunsets are pretty amazing. We've been telling you guys about that, and we've been doing some fires out here, and you can see the lights of Albuquerque down there on the top left there. So
Gotta have some disco lights. Always.
the disco RV out in the West Mesa, we definitely have that going on. So we appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, we sure appreciate you putting
Or
them in there.
questions. Yep.
Have a great one.